What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, guys. In this video, we've got all freaking kinds update. We got Cobra stuff, we got Bronco stuff. Even may have a little surprise for you. I don't know, but either way, busy freaking day at the shop. Let's go. All right, guys, so if you caught the last video, we saw they got the actual engine sitting in the truck. It freaking fits great.
So far, so good.
I mean, got Kevin in there to weld up some modified mounts using the factory mounts. How epic is that?
Yeah, just
some cutting.
cut probably an inch off each side to scoot them in, and that was enough. It was a little narrow.
But I mean, fit overall is...
It's sitting pretty nice.
Yeah, it's sitting great.
Let's keep tilting forward.
I mean, we're clearing the booster. I think
it's sitting about like these two.
Yeah, sits great.
Yeah,
but
two manifolds on there.
The very next project is we got to test fit the trans. So we got to pull the engine back out, bolt the trans up to it, see where we're at then. Come on, baby. Yeah, we're pretty close right there.
Come on up.
Come on up.
A little more.
What about that?
Hold this, tilt this back a little bit. Yeah, come on up some. A little more. About right there. Make it whole mess.
All right, guess we're gonna see how this tran's gonna fit.
Get Logan in there and bench press the transmission.
Yeah.
All right, remember we got to roll the truck.
Yeah. She's high enough up. These tires make it perfect to roll.
It does help.
All right.
So good. Nice drop a little bit.
Yeah, we're about on the firewall. All right, a little more.
Hold right there, what y'all got? Come on down.
Ooh.
Push it forward.
It's gonna be close.
I think I guess this be the only shit side of chains on the wheels on this thing. Are they big and heavy? Yeah.
How we doing?
Hold up. Lay it down just a little bit.
All right. Oh, drop. Good?
Yeah.
Go back up.
No, just stop right there.
All right, she's sitting. Question is, how's the trans?
Jack it up a little bit there.
Oh, losing glasses.
got to get a transfer case.
Yeah. Keep going?
Yeah.
Oh,
Back,
yeah.
lay down. That'll probably be kind of close once we get the transfer case on in the mount.
It hit it pretty good though.
Yeah, the mount goes on the transfer case, so.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Like it was made to go in here.
Yeah. So far, so good. Huh?
Not bad at all.
As long as this will clear our exhaust, I don't know how that's going to work.
Yeah. Which we can modify that.
We're trying to go stock exhaust, so we'll see. We'll see what happens.
$0 budget.
Yeah, we're trying to spend less.
Oh. Will it fit? Oh man.
I'm gonna say no.
Yeah, I'm gonna say no.
I kind of was thinking no, but it kind of looked like there was a little more room than it had.
Yeah, it's good on the firewall, but it's all up on the cam cover there. Shit.
Who needs air?
That's right. Block it off.
Yeah.
All right, guys, so it may be just a hair sketchy, but we are going to mark the very first drive of the 01 Cobra. And it actually does have a new look.
Yes.
It looks really good.
A lot better, yeah.
So, yes, I know it's totally sacrilegious. We got Mach 1 wheels on a Cobra, but these are like brand new with brand new Nittos. And we just slapped them on there. But yeah, we have not attempted to drive the car, but we're about to do it right now for your viewing pleasure. If we don't make it back, well, I guess you'll never see this video.
It's coming from somewhere. Maybe a little leaking over there or something. Like
yeah, probably something on that exhaust manifold.
Yeah, it's a little wet over there.
Cam cover leaking.
Maybe.
It got us back though.
Yeah.
I love it.
We're not walking.
No.
It's always a plus.
And she looks meaty with the Mach 1s on it.
Just an improvement.
Yeah, what are they? 275s front and 315s rear. SB deep dish. Yeah, thanks Patrick.
Yeah.
Not too bad. Oh yeah. Little Y pipe action. Got the boiler back there.
The boiler back
It's
there?
gonna sound good.
Yes, we'll sound great.
Alright. We're gonna trust F-150 Y pipe.
I guess this needs to go up. This goes up beside the trans, don't it? I'm hoping it just ain't too wide. Might be the problem.
Yeah. I guess we'll see. Alright boys, huge freaking progress on everything. I know we don't film a lot of this stuff simply because I try to deliver you guys the best content possible, and a lot of the behind the scenes work that we do to make all these projects happen just isn't something you're gonna wanna sit and watch. I mean, I don't think. I just base that on what the views do when we do stuff like that. But guys, that aside, I've got something big working for you guys, specifically the premium subscribers and people signing up for the premium subscription. As you guys know, that's a big part of how we do what we do. And for all the guys that have been with me since 2018, thank you. We're always trying to do big stuff. We've got 3 cars now. Once we've got them all knocked out, ready to go, they're going to be given away, probably doing the first one at Ford Takeover. So keeping that tuned for that. We just added 2 more monthly drawings, so we're right at $1,500 a month in monthly drawings. But I'm working on something bigger because the subscription has been growing so fast, which thank you guys. It's freaking amazing how much it's growing. As we grow, the more I'm able to do to give back to you guys. So I've got something in the works. Once it's locked in, I'll be bringing that to you. But in the meantime, all I can say is get yourself in on the premium subscription. I promise you'll always get more out of it than you ever put in. That's been my goal since day one, and I feel like we've achieved it. So guys, keep it tuned right here. Don't forget, coming up in June 21st and 22nd, Ford Takeover. My car will be there. Brente's swap will be there. I'm not sure what Dover's going to bring. We might bring this Bronco. I don't know. So all the cars that you see on the channel will be there. It'll be a great freaking time. See Brutal and Neo Mustangs and all the amazing sponsors that you guys know so well, like Hanlon and LMR, and you know, all these Stiflers and all these guys. It's going to be an amazing time, so make sure that's on your calendar. I'll catch you guys on the next one.